Good morning. Welcome back to the CoveyChase farm vlog. Once again, as you can see, we've got snow here in central Kentucky. I'm absolutely ready for spring. Not real sure what we're going to do today. I had plans on working on that high tensile fence that I talked about in a few vlogs ago. Wasn't really prepared for more snow, and again, it's 9 degrees out. Having trouble with the tractor getting it started, so probably gonna be a day of some odd chores. Definitely have to feed some more hay today, given the snow's out. Not gonna be able to get to pasture. Maybe get the tractor filled up, get things ready. Once we get a little bit warmer, we can do some more stuff. We'll be ready to do it. Anyway, thanks again for joining the farm vlog. The one thing I can usually count on starting is the 20-some-odd-year-old Ranger UTV that we have. For some reason, this Polaris, it just keeps going. I don't think our horses have made an appearance yet on the farm vlog. The gray one is Sissy, and the chestnut is Chex. They're both quarter horses. I haul the horses there in expense account. In the corporate world, they would probably be subject to a RIF, a reduction in force, as they really just eat. Well, the sheep look good this morning. I haven't talked a whole lot about the sheep other than kind of showing them. They're a bit of a new adventure for us. But they are Katahdin St. Croix Cross. They're all ewes, which means they're all female sheep. They are a hair sheep, so they actually will not get sheared. Their hair grow out about what it is right now for the winter, and as the spring comes, they will shed that off. They're all supposed to be bred, and I thought they would start having lambs back in November, but that's not been the case. So a little bit of a trial and error with them. I expect that they will start lambing here. Maybe they'll wait until we get to a little bit better weather. here's the freezer beef for 2022. They're all doing pretty good. Looks like they've been rubbing in the cedars a bit. If you remember the farm vlog from last week, if you haven't, go out there and check it out. We did set up the bale grazing for the 50 starter steers we'll bring in starting here in about 2 weeks. If you can see it, it's set up way back over here with an electric fence around it. But this is the bale grazing that I've had for the freezer beef. And then what I'll do now is take this electric fence right here. This is the poly braid, the wire, poly wire. You can see where I've got it on a solar charger right over here. And I'll move this fence and I will put it right here and give them access to these 2 bales, and we'll move down this line. Thanks again for watching the CoveyChase farm blog. I know it wasn't a lot going on today with the snow and the weather, but daily chores, feeding hay, those are things that have to get done. Make sure you watch last week's episode where we did set up for our bale grazing, and it would be greatly appreciated if you check out www.coveychasefarm.com, learn a little bit more about what we have going on here in the farm. See you next week.